Hello everyone. Sa video na to, we are going to discuss some mathematics questions na pwede nyo makita sa civil service examination. By the way, this is Gerald C. Apostol. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell button for you to be notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you. So, start na natin. So, video na to, we are going to answer 17 to 22. So, those are the problems na we are going to answer for the whole video. Pwede nyo i-post yung video and then try to answer those 6 questions and then let us check kung nakuha nyo ba yung tamang sagot. So, start na natin. Number 17. What is the square of the square of negative 1? So, we have negative 1. And then we are going to square it and then square it again. Kasi sabi niya, what is the square of the square? It is the square of the square. Now, unahin natin i-evaluate yung nasa loob ng bracket. So you have, what is negative 1 square? Negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive 1. Then squared. What is 1 squared? We have positive 1. So basically, the answer here is letter C. So the answer for number 17 is letter C. Next, number 18. Find the square root of 16. So we're going to find the square root of 16. So the square root of 16 is basically positive and negative 4. So pag titignan natin, wala yung positive and negative 4 sa sagot. So pwede nating isipin na ang hinahanap ng number 18 is the principal square root. When we say principal square root, it is the positive root nung number. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito will be letter B. Positive 4. It is the principal square root of 16 is positive 4. Next, number 19. What is the cube root of, what is the cube root of 64? Cube root of 64. Ano ba yung number na if you are going to multiply to itself 3 times, the answer is 64. So basically, we will have 4. Kasi we have 4 times 4, that is equal to 16 times 4, we have 64. So ang cube root ng 64 will be 4. So yun. So our answer will be letter B. Next, we have number 19. If the cube root of 8 is 2, kasi 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, tatlong beses na 2, ang sagot ay 8. And then, the cube root of 27 is 3. Kasi 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Or pwede natin siyang gawin na ganito. Cube root of 2 cube. Cube root of 3 cube. Kasi 2 times 2 times 2 ay 8. Tapos 3 times 8 times 3 ay 27. Tapos we are going to cancel that. Cancel. Kaya makikita nyo dito, matitira dito 2. Dito naman 3. Now, the question is, what is the cube root of 16? Cube root of 16. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala namang perfect cube number na pwedeng maisip sa 16. Kaya ang gagawin natin, we're going to think of a factor na perfect cube. At ang perfect cube na yun ay 8. So, we're going to factor 16. We have 8 times 2. And then, let us rewrite 8 as an exponential number. We have 2 cube times 2. So, we will have cube root of 2 cube and then cube root of 2. Pinaghiwalay lang natin. Then, we're going to cancel that cube. So, we will have 2 cube root of 2. So, our answer will be letter A. So, ang sagot sa number 20 ay letter A. Next, number 21. What is the square root of 4a 4th power, b to the 6th power, and c to the 2nd power? So, What is square root of 4? We have 2. What is, okay, square root of a cube, ay a to the 4th power? So we have a to the 4th power divided by 2. Kasi squared yung index nito. So we will have b 6 over 2. We have c squared over 2. So we will have 2a squared, b cube, and then c raised to 1. So our number yun, that is letter C. So sa number 21, ang sagot natin will be letter C. Okay. Next. Number 22. Find the volume of a cube whose side is 3 cm. So mayroon daw tayong cube. Tapos ang volume niya ay ang side niya is 3. Remember that the volume of a square is equal to s cube. Kukunin lang natin yung side and then we are going to cube it. So we have volume is equal to 3 cube. So we will have volume is equal to 27 cubic centimeter. So we have 27 cubic centimeter. So we have 27 na dalawa dyan. So pag hindi nyo alam na volume yung hinahanap, or hindi nyo alam yung unit ng volume, pwede kayong malito. Pwedeng maisagot nyo ito. Pero actually, ang tamang sagot will be letter B. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. So remember, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.